Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder, or ADHD, is not easy to deal with. With this disorder, it can be hard to do things like pay your bills and finish your work on time, let alone take care of your family and social life. You can learn a few skills that will help you control your symptoms and stay on track. Just keep in mind that changes like these don't happen overnight. But you can become more productive, organized, and in charge with practice, patience, and a good attitude. Check out these tips on how to deal with ADHD. However, before we begin our countdown, we would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to Worlds for All and also press the bell icon. Let's get started. Number 1. Get organized. The most noticeable signs of ADHD are not being able to pay attention and being easily distracted. Because of this, being organized is one of the hardest things for someone with the disorder to do. To make organization easier on yourself, it's best to break it up into smaller, more manageable tasks. This will also help you take a more systematic approach. Useful tools for getting more organized include calendars, day planners, and lists. Using these tools well, whether on your phone, computer, tablet, or even the thing itself, can help you get rid of clutter and make it less likely that your daily responsibilities will get on top of you. Number 2. Create a schedule. ADHD can make it hard to keep track of time. Most people with this disorder find it easy to get distracted. This makes it hard to remember appointments, meetings, and deadlines, and it's easy to underestimate how much time you'll need to finish certain tasks. The best way to deal with this is to make a good plan and pay close attention to the time. Try to give yourself a little more time than you think you'll need when making your schedule. So, if you need a little more time to finish some tasks, you'll have plenty of time. If you finish early, you'll also get a little extra free time. Number 3. Learn to prioritize. Setting priorities and making a good plan go hand in hand. When you have ADHD, it can be hard to control your impulses and get things done well. The best way to deal with this is to decide which tasks should be done first. Ask yourself which of your tasks is the most important or time-consuming, and then work to finish that one first. Like with organization, you can do these tasks one at a time and take short breaks often so you don't get too busy. When you are working hard, keep to your schedule, and if you need to, set a timer so you don't get sidetracked. Number 4. Learn to say no. Impulsiveness is a major sign of ADHD. This can make you agree to more projects than you can handle, which can throw off all the hard work you've done so far and make you nervous about social events. If you already have a lot on your plate, it's fine to politely decline some plans. In the long run, you'll find that doing this when you need to will make it easier for you to get things done, keep social plans, and live a healthier life in general. Number 5. Control your budget. If you keep a close eye on your budget and expenses, you won't get sidetracked or feel like you're drowning when the bills start to come in. Start by writing down everything you spend for 1 month, no matter how small. At the end of that month, you'll have a better idea of where your money is going, which will help you spend less. Set up a simple, well-organized way to keep documents, bills, and receipts. Number 6. Avoid distractions. This one may be easier to say than to do, but it's important if you want to learn how to handle your ADHD better. How well you can concentrate can be affected by where you work. If you don't have your own office, you might be able to move to a quieter, more private space like an empty office or conference room. You can also cut down on outside noise by putting your desk against a wall, keeping your workspace clean, and letting calls go to voicemail. You can try noise-cancelling headphones or a white noise machine if you are very sensitive to noise. Number 7. Get enough sleep. It's been said before, but not getting enough sleep can make stress and ADHD symptoms in adults much worse. In turn, this can make it hard for you to concentrate and keep up with your work throughout the day. Simple changes to your daily routine, like cutting back on caffeine especially late in the day, getting your bedtime routine in order, and getting up at the same time every day, can go a long way toward making sure you get enough beauty sleep. That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching and see you next time.